everyone! Welcome back to Mom and Me Beauty. Today we're going to share with you our top 6 items that every makeup wearer should have in his or her makeup stash. Thank you again so much for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell that is right next to it so you're notified every time we upload a new video. Real quick, before we get started, I just want to let you know that the reason why we decided to do this video is because I've had several people ask me lately, hey, I'm trying to start applying makeup and wearing makeup. What are your top items that you think I should purchase? What are the top items that I should start learning how to use in, applying makeup every morning? So that's what inspired this video. So that being said, Emma's top 6 items are going to be based upon what she thinks a teenager who's still in school would need to get their makeup on and be out the door. So that's really important, especially because this is the age that most girls start wearing makeup. These items are going to be really good to start that makeup collection so that they can learn how to apply makeup and still be able to function in their everyday life. My top 6 items are based on people who want to start wearing makeup but have busy lives, who don't have time to be touching up throughout the day, who need to get their makeup on and get out the door and then not have to worry about it for the rest of their day. So I think it's a really good idea to, give both viewpoints, if you will. So I will stop rambling. Let's get started with the items.
So my first product is the Too Faced Sweet Peach Palette. I bet all of you know what this is. Doesn't need further introduction, but I think this is just a great staple to have in your collection because there is so much you can do with this. You've got a bunch of nice peach colors, and you've got a few brighter colors like the green, the purple, and the darker blue. So it's a really versatile palette. You can create millions of looks. Well, not millions, but you can create a lot of looks. So yeah, I just think this is a staple, but some other good Too Faced palettes are the Chocolate Bonbon or the Chocolate Bar. You can also do a lot of things with those as well.
So when I was trying to pick out my top 6 items, my thought process went to moms who are either chasing after kids and don't have a whole lot of time for makeup but still want to look put together, or moms or dads who are on the go, just people who need to, look semi put together quickly and get out the door and then have those products last. So that being said, I started out with the Catrice Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base. Get yourself a really, really good primer. Now, the type of primer you use is going to be dependent upon your skin type. For me, I have combo to oily skin, erring more on the side of oily, so this Prime and Fine by Catrice really controls my oils throughout the day. So find yourself a really good primer. That is the first step.
My next step is mascara, and for me, I use like a twosome mixture of mascara. I use the IT Cosmetics Tightline mascara base in black, and then I use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise in waterproof. I'd use the lash primer because it's supposed to protect your lashes, because mascara can dry your lashes out, and I know this is gross to say, but some eyelashes could fall out because of that. So I like to keep my lashes nice and safe and healthy with this, and then to get that volume and length, I will use the regular mascara. This is phenomenal. It really makes your lashes look like they're fake, so yeah, I like this.
The next item that I think every first time makeup user should make sure that they have in their stash is a really good concealer. So I have Catrice Cosmetics Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer, and by the way, all the products that I'm talking about today I have on my face today. I'm wearing them today. I have the shade 005 Light Natural. So a concealer would be really good for any spot concealing that you have or any dark circles that you have underneath your eyes, which is what I have. So get yourself a really good concealer that gives you a lot of pigmentation or a lot of coverage in it. Another good option is Tarte Shape Tape. That is very, very pigmented, and it is going to cover up any blemishes or dark circles that you might have. But if you want to get a more affordable option, definitely pick yourself up one of these. They're really, really good.
My next step / must-have is eyebrows, and I will either use one or the other, or I will use both at the same time. The first one is the Too Faced Chocolate Brownie Cocoa Powder Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe, and the Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow in number 1. Now, I can just use this gel on its own. It is really pigmented. It really does make your lashes, right, okay. It really makes your eyebrows look like they're a lot thicker than they really are. If you're someone who does have eyebrow hairs, but not that many. And for me, I do have to fill in my brows just a little bit, so I can run this through my brows and I can be done easily. With this is more precise. So you can really get in those fine lines of your eyebrow, you know, draw on some eyebrow hairs. And sometimes I will use these together because for some areas that I can't get with this gel, I can get with this. So these are great.
Next item that you should have in your basic makeup stash is a really good foundation stick. So when I was trying to decide, should I go liquid or cream or powder or stick foundation, again, I had to go back to that. What is the easiest, quickest thing that's going to give you the most impact and still give you the coverage that's going to last, you know, all day long, no matter what you're doing. So that being said, I went with the L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick. Now, I recently did a video where I tested out 3 drugstore foundation sticks. I will link that video up above here in the cards for you and in the description box below, so you can check that video out if you'd like to see some wear tests. This foundation stick, during those wear tests, it was so good. It lasted the best. It didn't break apart. It gave me really great coverage. So find yourself a really good foundation stick. It's really quick and easy. You just have to glide it onto your skin and then blend it in. That being said, this video, we're not including like beauty tools that you're gonna need. So if you get a foundation stick, you're gonna need a beauty blender or some method of blending it in, or even a foundation brush, some method of blending it in. So keep that in mind, but definitely pick yourself up a foundation stick.
And like my mom said earlier, I completely believe in having a great full coverage concealer in your stash, and you all know what I'm about to say. That's Tarte Shape Tape. I have an obsession with this stuff. I can't not reach for it when I'm doing a full face of makeup. It covers up anything. It covers up Sharpie marker on your hand. It covers up, you know, writing mistakes on a paper. It just covers up anything you want it to. And I've had this tube for a long time, and I've still got like over half the bottle left. So great concealer, and once I run out, I'm definitely buying another one.
One note about the Tarte Shape Tape, you don't need to apply that much to get the coverage you want. So like a pin size amount, like 3 dots of a pin size amount, and that is it. That's all you need. With the concealer that I was talking about, I actually will do like 3 lines underneath my eyes. That will give you the coverage that you're looking for, but be very, very careful with that tape shape. A teeny tiny little amount goes a really long way. Next item that I have in my gotta have it makeup stash for beginners is the Ulta Beauty Mineral Blush in Peony. This is just one of my favorite go-to blushes. Get yourself a really good blush. There's so many options out there. When you put on the foundation stick, it can kind of make your face look lifeless because you're neutralizing all the undertones and all the natural pigmentation in your skin. You're neutralizing all that. So in order to give yourself a little bit more life, make yourself look awake and alive, you're gonna need some blush. This is a really affordable option, but certainly, like I said, there are so many different blushes out there. Find something that you really like, a blush that you really enjoy the color, that's pretty neutral, pretty close to your natural blush skin color, and you'll be really happy. So that's a good option.
My next must-have is highlighter. I mean, I cannot live without highlighter in my life. I just can't. So the one that I am obsessing over lately is the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter in Pearl. I love this so much that I have hit pan on it It is that good. It is creamy, but yet it's supposed to be a powder, and yet it's creamy. I can't really describe the texture, but it is just the perfect highlighter, and I love the packaging. I love how packaging is nice and small and very compact, and this stuff just smells amazing.
I can smell it from here.
This is absolutely great, but I do have to say, if you are someone who likes a natural, subtle highlight, stay clear from this, because this is not natural.
My next item that I think every beginning basic makeup stash should have is also a mascara, same one as Emma's. It's the Lash Paradise, the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal in waterproof. You gotta have mascara if nothing else. If all you literally have is 30 seconds to get some sort of makeup on and get out the door, this is your very first item that you should be grabbing. It should be a really good mascara that's gonna give you length and volume. We've killed this product to death. I'm sure you've seen it everywhere around YouTube, friends and family. I'm not gonna kill this, so a really good mascara, pick yourself up one too.
My next item is the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick. Now, I believe that everyone should have a good lip product in their collection, and
Agreed.
I absolutely love the Kat Von D Studded Kiss lipsticks. Those are a great option, but liquid lipsticks are the better choice for if you're still in school like I am, because during the day I don't have time to reapply whatever I have on my lips. I have to have something matte that lasts all day, and this does just that. I have multiple shades of this. It's great. It dries down matte, it's comfortable, and it just looks great all day. And I can have this on for upwards of 8 hours with eating, and it's still on. So absolutely great. You need to pick up one.
I could not agree with Emma more. When I was going through which products I wanted to be included in this video, it has to be a really good, long-lasting liquid lipstick that dries down matte. That way you can put it on, be out the door, and not have to worry about touching up every time you take a sip of water or every time you give your kids a kiss. You don't want it to rub off, and you want it to last all day. So my pick is the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. I've got the color number 15 Lover on today. It's pretty natural, very close to my natural lip color. So pick yourself up one of these really good matte lipsticks and throw it in your purse. You probably don't even have to do that. You just apply it in the morning and be out the door. But throw it in your purse or your handbag just in case. It's gonna last you all day long, and it's gonna make you look great.
So that is it for this video. We hope you enjoyed. Be sure to comment down below if you have any of these, if you want any of these, and if you agree with us, if you do think this is good for a beginner's makeup collection. I know that I did have a lot of high-end products in this video, but you do not necessarily have to have the same products, because a lot of this is really expensive, and if you're my age, we just don't have that kind of money. So you don't have to worry about having these exact products, but have something similar, even have a dupe for it. Dupes work the same way and look the same.
So in the comment section below, let us know what are your top 6 items for a beginner's makeup collection.
Be sure to click the subscribe button down below and the little bell right next to it to be notified of all of our new videos. And remember, we post 2 beauty videos a week. One on Mondays is a Mom and Me Day, and on Thursdays with either moi or my mom. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and follow us on Instagram under Mom and Me Beauty, and with me under Emma_N_2004. Again, we hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time in our next Mom and Me video.
Bye everyone.